Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product to review that can significantly enhance the quality of your drinking water. We found the APEC Water Systems Ultimate Series Undersink Filter Replacement Set, and we've added a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The APEC Ultimate Series Filter Set, also known as the Filter Set, is designed specifically for reverse osmosis systems. It's compatible with several models, including the RO45, RO90, ROPH90, ROPerm, and ROPump. Essentially, if you have a standard 10-inch reverse osmosis water filter system, this replacement set is likely a fit for you. Now, let's dive into the features that make this filter set stand out. First up, the set includes 3 filters, 1 sediment filter and 2 carbon block filters. The first stage is a polypropylene sediment filter, which is crucial for removing dust, particles, and rust from your water supply. This initial filtration stage is vital for protecting your RO system and ensuring that it functions efficiently. Moving on to the second and third stages, we have extruded carbon block filters. These filters are engineered to remove chlorine, taste, and odors, significantly improving the flavor and quality of your drinking water. What's really impressive about APEC's extruded solid carbon block filters is that they far surpass traditional granular activated carbon (GAC) filters in performance and absorptive capacity. Unlike GAC filters, APEC's carbon blocks do not leak carbon fines, making them a more reliable choice for purifying your water. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who values clean and safe drinking water, this filter replacement set is a no-brainer. It's perfect for families, individuals who drink a lot of water throughout the day, or anyone concerned about contaminants in their tap water. Whether you're preparing meals, making coffee, or just quenching your thirst, having a reliable filtration system is essential. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. If you live in an area with hard water or where the water quality is questionable, this filter set can make a noticeable difference in the taste and purity of your drinking water. Alternatively, if you enjoy brewing coffee or tea, using filtered water can enhance the flavor of your beverages. Additionally, if you have pets or small children at home, ensuring that their drinking water is free from harmful contaminants is a priority, and this filter set can help you achieve that peace of mind. Installation is straightforward, making it accessible even for those who may not consider themselves DIY experts. Replacing your filters regularly is crucial for maintaining the efficiency of your RO system, and the APEC Ultimate Series makes this process simple and hassle-free. In summary, the APEC Water Systems Ultimate Series Undersink Filter Replacement Set is an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve their water quality. With its 3-stage filtration system, you can trust that you're providing your family with clean, fresh-tasting water. By using these filters, you not only protect your health but also prolong the life of your reverse osmosis system. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.